What if there is a solution that can connect all your existing cameras and deliver real-time traffic insights from them easily and effectively? Meet Traffic Enterprise, the sixth traffic sense running on in-house AI servers, converting video streams into universal-centric network. Traffic Enterprise is a centralized solution which allows you to connect an endless number of cameras and create a real collaborative traffic intelligence. Advanced Traffic AI works automatically and detects and tracks all objects in the camera view, including pedestrians or bicycles. It computes deep traffic metrics in real time to provide evidence-based answers to your traffic questions. For example, you want to measure the traffic coming into the city center from a specific direction and you want to be notified if it reaches some level. Thanks to specially designed visual traffic language Flow, you will set up such a scenario in a few clicks, including visualization or data integration. Just drag and drop the right traffic operators and link them accordingly. In the same way, you will create a dashboard or data outputs for third parties. Featuring an intuitive and interactive interface, this solution is a visual solver for smart traffic, parking, security, or many other applications. Traffic Enterprise provides you with full control in all aspects. No data goes through the cloud, everything is processed on dedicated AI city servers. It was designed to be an open traffic brain communicating with other parts of your smart city infrastructure. So convert your cameras into the sixth traffic sense that smart city loves.